move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Bloody hell. Oh my god. Oh, this is quick. Oh my god. Oh, this is... Woo! Oh, this is... Bloody hell. I can't even... This is quick. Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh, this is quick. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh.
Number one.
Bloody hell. Woo. I know, there's a lot of G-force on it. Oh my god! Oh my god! That was quick. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, what a ride that was. Tip top for the win. That thing, I don't know what to say. What do you enjoy that?
Yeah. Bloody weird. I can't even lift my arms or my legs.
The G-force on ours, unreal. Like the wife said, you can't lift your arms. I couldn't lift my head. It pulls you right back in your seat. The G-force on ours, unreal. But that machine was made in 74, 1974. So it's a very old machine. Originally had how many cars? 16 cars in it, I think he said. I think he said 16 cars he used to have when it was original. But it used to belong to Willie Wilson before McKean's bought it. And like I said, it was manufactured in 1974. So it's a good few years old. But that rides like a boss. I absolutely loved that. That was brilliant. Loved it. Like I said, the G-force on that is unreal. Get pulled back right in the seat, can't lift your arms up.